I hope and pray. Every night I hope and pray a dream lover will come my way. Girl to hold in my arms, know the magic of her charms, 'cause I want, girl, to call my own. I want a dream lover so I don't have to dream alone. Dream lover, where are you? With a love oh so true, and the hand that I can't hold, to feel you near as I grow old, 'cause I want.
Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. And happy birthday Eve to me. I'm tired. It's Friday, which is the most perfect day for Valentine's Day to fall on, because Friday is ruled by Venus, which is the goddess of love, if you're into that sort of thing. Okay, so the only thing I have planned for certain so far today is to go to the gym. So I'm going to get ready and I'll show you my outfit. Okay. Alrighty. My mom got this for me for Christmas. It smells really nice. I'm just gonna make it smell good. Start the day nice and smelling good. Right? Beautiful. And this is my birthday tree, by the way. Yes, it was also my Christmas tree, but I turned it into my birthday tree, which is why there's little hearts on it. It's really close to the candle. It's probably a fire hazard, but I'm here. It's fine. So don't think, oh, why are you still your Christmas tree up? No, it's my birthday tree. Yeah. And here is my outfit for today, my ultimate Valentine outfit. I think I might have actually worn this last year too, or at least this shirt. What's more perfect than that shirt? It's perfect. Dream lover. February 14th. So cute. It's from SHALIN, but I got it on Depop from someone, so I don't support SHALIN. Okay. But it's so cute. Yeah. Alright, and then I've got my Playboy boxers from PacSun, and they are actually great to wear under shorts, so like my butt doesn't hang out when I'm working out. And then I have these just red Sophie shorts. And the final touch. Can you see? Not very well. You can see these super cute, super perfect socks that say love that I think I got from H&M as well. So perfect. So this is like kind of like my outfit the other day, but instead of black and red, it's white and red. A little softer for the day of love. Okay, I shall put it on now and see you in a moment. Cute. I'm going with these little angel cherub guys again for the Valentine dream theme. Today I think I'm actually going to try layering a couple perfumes. I have my perfume that I've been using special for this month, which is the Unique Luxury Crush on Me. And then I have like kind of my classic at this point, which is the Lattafa Camera. So I think I'm going to layer those starting with the Camera. So this is the Camera. And this is the one that I used to wear like every day when I first got it. Anyway, let's go over here. This is the Latafa camera. This is what I used to wear every day when I first got it because it was mainly the only perfume that I had. And since I've gotten more, I have not really been wearing it as much because I just have so many other things to wear. But this one, like the other day after the gym, I was like really craving it. I was like, oh, that would smell really good. And I feel like this is really good for like Valentine's Day because it's a very sweet scent. That's like the top note, I think, is just sweet. And it's just a really good smelling perfume. It's really good. I'm going to start with this one because I feel like it's actually, I don't know which one's stronger, but I'm gonna start with this one. So it's the main accords are sweet, warm, spicy, vanilla, amber, cinnamon, woody, fresh, spicy, and fruity, which I definitely get the sweet and the warm, spicy for sure. I like when I initially got it, I was like, oh yeah, it's warm. Like it has this warmth to it. And definitely the amber and the cinnamon. Yeah, very good scent. If you like sweet scents, this one's really good. I do have a video up and another one to come talking a bit about perfume. This one, I don't know if it's up yet, but I'm just trying to give a better description. So, okay, so I'm going to put this one on. It's so good. Oops. Snack break. I don't know what to do with my hair. I put sunscreen on and mascara, and I'm letting this perfume kind of settle a little bit before I put the other one on. So, yeah, I'm tired. Alright, see you in a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to put the Crush on Me on. This is just a sample size. This one I think is also good for Valentine's Day because it's sweet and, you know, romantic. So it says the main notes are caramel, patchouli, warm, spicy, woody, sweet, balsamic, earthy, citrus, and floral. And I think the caramel gives it the sweetness, and then I love patchouli, so I think it might give it like some warmth. And then it says warm, spicy. This one is very nice for today, I think. So I'm going to put this on top. Yeah, it's like it's so sweet and it kind of settles down into kind of, I don't know, kind of powdery. I'm not really sure. Done. Now I smell like a sweet treat. A very sweet treat. Definitely delectable. It is time to go to the gym. Hello. Okay. I'm all ready. Yeah. I am so tired today. I do not have energy today, but it's Valentine's Day. But yeah, so I'm going to get a workout in and one more cute little Valentine outfit. So I think just making videos almost every day and editing every single day has been a lot. It's a lot. So I'm very tired, and tomorrow's my birthday. Okay, so later.
To feel you near as I grow old, 'cause I want a girl to call my own. I want a dream lover so I don't have to dream alone. Someday, I don't know how, I hope she'll hear my plea. Someday, I don't know how, she'll bring her love to me. Oh, dream lover, until then, I'll go to sleep and dream again. That's the only thing to do.
Hello. I have returned from the gym. It's hot outside. Anyway, what was I saying? Yes, I have returned from the gym. And I ended up doing lower body today. I was going to do upper body, but I did lower body. I'm very lacking energy today. I'm not like, yeah, I'm just really tired today. My energy is very low. Like, usually, if I'm not like feeling on top of the world, I'm just feeling like depressed and awful, because I can have really extreme emotions, but I don't. Okay, so there's no reason for me to actually feel that way right now. Like, I don't feel depressed, but I just don't have a lot of energy. I'm just so exhausted, and my energy is just not allowing me to feel to my best. But I'm good. I'm fine. But yeah, I went to the gym, and yeah, I ended up doing lower body, and because tomorrow I'm going to the gym again, and I'm going to do upper body. So yeah, I just feel like I don't even have it, like I don't really have it in me to record today, though I'm trying. I think I just feel like my camera died. Anyway, I have to go get some Valentine chocolates, yay! But I was just saying that I don't have a lot of energy, and I am tired. But I think I'm gonna go for a run. But yeah, I gotta go because I gotta go get those chocolates. So bye. Is that a cicada? No, it's a palmetto bug. I got a little bag of treats, yay! 'Cause I'm special. Yay! Do you see it? Okay, I just retrieved my little gift. I'm gonna get ready to run now. I'm exhausted. Okay. I was gonna put my hair in a ponytail, but I might just leave it like this. My hair is so much less frizzy. Why is it? Okay. Because I got, I think it's called the Kinky Curly Custard. That is like the holy grail curl product in my opinion. So I feel like my hair is just so much less frizzy. It's amazing because my hair is always so frizzy in the heat, the humidity here. Yeah, so like, wow, look at it. Like my curls, look at that. Yay, okay, I'm gonna run. Shake. 1,
till all my lovers' dreams come true. 'Cause I want a girl to call my own. I want a dream lover so I don't have to dream alone. Dream lover, where are you?